review of how I do some squat exercises and some lifts. Obviously, weights are standard, you know what to use those for. I hope to get a bench here really soon so that I can actually properly use my weights, but I have 30 pounds worth of Costco laundry detergent here that I use kind of like a kettlebell, and then I also have this that I use like sort of a weight too. It's 8.8 pounds, and it's obviously an ammo box that has some 223 in it. But so yeah, and I got this mat. This mat's a beautiful mat. I think it was 90 bucks on Amazon. It's really thick, and it's just like I would have at the gym. It's so it was worth the $90. I do all my yoga on it and stretching exercises and stuff like that. But so anyways, I thought this would help you guys maybe a little bit about trying to find ways to work out when your gym is closed, like mine is for the Christmas season. So there you go. Peanuts, coffee with cream. It's the perfect keto breakfast.